Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing into account. Microsoft. Using the exact Microsoft account attached to your Game Pass. Once signed in, go straight to Services and Subscriptions. This page lists active subscriptions and renewal dates. Make sure to use the account that purchases or redeems the pass, not a secondary profile. If you use the Xbox console, confirm the same gamer tag is linked to the Microsoft account. This step ensures you see the authoritative expiration date. Once on Services and Subscriptions, scan the list for Xbox Game Pass or Game Pass Ultimate. It's usually labeled clearly. Click the entry to reveal details, next billing date, subscription status, and any scheduled cancellations. This is where you see the true expiration or auto-renew date, why this is the only reliable source. If it shows a recurring payment, the pass stays active until that next billing fails or you cancel. Once done, manage to change payment or cancel if needed. Finish by confirming the date shown matches any recent receipts or bank charges. This cross-check prevents surprises. If the entry is missing or shows incorrect dates, sign out and sign back in, then refresh Services and Subscriptions. Sometimes account links lag. Make sure the payment method wasn't charged on a different Microsoft account. If problems persist, contact Xbox support with your purchase receipt and account email. They can reconcile subscriptions and restore the authoritative expiration date.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.